Okay, so what is up, cubers? So today I'm gonna bring up a tutorial today on how to make the Indian flag on the Rubik's cube. So this is my Rubik's cube. I've already made a review on this. It's a cube reload drift folio 3x3, and yeah. By the way, in my previous video I made a lot of editing, so yeah, that took me a lot of time. Anyways, now let's get back into this video, and now let's begin. So the first thing I would like to say that how do you like my truck? Like I just made it for the background. I made it out of Lego. It's pretty cool. It's pretty out of topic, but yeah, it's just good for decoration. Anyways, yeah. So now let's make the Indian flag on the Rubik's cube. So this is a pretty simple technique. So first you have to find the yellow side. Here is our yellow side. And now we have to find, this is our blue. So we will put this over here. Our blue in front of us, white on the top and yellow on the bottom. So now we will do this. This 2 times so that it can make it like this. Now we're gonna bring this piece over here by moving this down, then doing this, that, and that. Now this piece is here. The piece that was here is somewhere. Now we have to bring this over here. So we will do the same thing. First bring it like that. Move this. Put that. Now it will become like this and done. So now let me do that in cube notation. Not the cube. So yeah. So I'm going to find the yellow side, blue side, white side on top. So we are going to be doing U. Then this. Then we're going to put this there. And we're going to put that. Okay. Going to do this. And there we go. The Indian flag. I've also made it on this cube. So yeah. Now let me show you how to revert it back. So we're gonna start from the left side, because if we're gonna do it from the right side, it won't work. I've tried it many times. So we just have to reverse those steps. So we're gonna put this back, this there, like that. Then put this down, and then put this back over there, and done. If a blue part comes like that, that means it's okay. Now we have to put this like this, move that away, put this in, put that back in, and done. Then you just have to do this and that. And your Rubik's cube is now solved again. Let me just speed do it once again. So it's under 10 seconds. Done. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So till then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.